Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.